Today's the day. We have raised our first batch of Cornish hens from tiny little chicks to big birds ready to be processed. We just invested in a Beaver chicken plucker on Amazon. I will put the link below. But here we go. Today's the day. Nathan and I have helped neighbors process birds. We've of course processed birds here and there for various reasons, but this is our first, big operation. And if you didn't see from the other video, they have been in this tractor for about 9 weeks. All right, here is the chicken plucker. We have never used it, so you guys are going to use it for the very first time with us. Never really seen one of these. We've watched lots of videos, of course. We have our water over here to 145. Y'all know what that is. If you don't, you might not want to watch this. And then we've got our baths. Clean. Cool. Yeah, just ice water, some clean totes that we've sanitized. And we put a cup of vinegar in, which one? Half a cup of vinegar in this first one here. In the hot water. Apparently you're supposed to leave it in here until the skin comes off of the feet. About a minute or less. Okay.
You just hit the button again. All right, so now turn your chicken plucker on. Get your hose ready.
Switch on the side. It's already plugged in. And I'm gonna hose it out while you're doing it. Wow.
Pull out any excess feathers, I guess. Not much.
Cutting the feet off. And then the wing tips.
The esophagus needs to come out. You can pull it out through the bottom. Just gotta loosen it. Well, you can pull it out through there too.
And then of course we have a bucket over here. And yeah, he'll just make a little incision there to get all the insides out. It's good stuff.
And cut around this.
Cut that out completely.
The pooper, yeah.
Cut the pooper out.
Everything should come out pretty good.
Oh yeah. And you guys get the rest of it.
Connected from the top.
There it is. There it is, people.
And there's the heart, if you want to save that.
Oh yeah.
Hot, scalding hot water. I'm going to stir it around a little bit. It's going to help loosen up the feathers. What's that?
I said, okay, that was horrible.
It is if you're chicken.
Oh,
Yeah, push it all the way in. All the way. Push it all the way. Let it go. Here's that.
Okay, step back.
Look in there. Look, all the feathers. Look, a lot of feathers out. Look what comes out. No feathers. Isn't that funny? Isn't that kind of amazing?
Yeah. Now what do you do?
So now we gotta take the feet off first.
Oh. Oh, that looks painful.
Well, he's dead, so.
I wish I was not a chicken. Which is a good thing because then I would have cut arms and cut legs. Hey, Dad!
What?
It looks like on Cloudy and the Chance on Meatballs.
It does.
Once that guy turns into the chicken.
Oh yeah, I remember that part. Then he's all strong.
Yeah. Ew.
What?
How will we get to the meat?
Well, we gotta get all the guts out first.
What guts?
Uh-oh. Someone's head.
The brain.
Well, no. That was in its head. I don't think chickens have very big brains.
Never seen your brain. You're just putting your hand in there.
Yeah, it's great. A couple more pieces. I have long finger.
Are more than halfway done processing the birds. We've got about 40 something birds to process. There's 20 something in the cooler. We'll get a final count at the end. But anyways, we got these bags on Amazon, the More pack. And we are going to shrink wrap basically the chickens so that they are ready for the freezer. We have the water over here at 185 degrees. And let's do this. All right, first you gotta pat it dry. Then you're gonna put it in a bag.
Side down?
Face down.
Yep. Well, there's no face on it anymore.
Well, breast. Wings down.
Squeeze it, condense it.
And condense it.
Oh, you're gonna want your straw in the cavity.
Okay, we're putting a straw that comes with the bags inside the cavity. Zip tie on.
Now we can back it.
So here's another method where, what are you doing?
Just gonna cut a hole in it instead of using the straw. It seems to work a little better. Put it underwater until the bubbles stop coming out of the hole. Oh, and then back in. Hold up.
Oh yeah, that looks way better.
Way better. Way better. Yeah, that's how we're doing it from now on. But you just gotta remember where the hole's at. I don't. Oh, there it is.
Because you got to plug the hole?
I don't think you have to, but I'm going to. With a sticker or a piece of tape. In this case, a sticker.